Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I actually just did about a 15-minute video so far without hitting record, so yay me. I'm hoping it didn't record. Anyways, moving on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're doing a little bit of a different video. I'm sitting down, I'm very relaxed. I'm actually going to be talking to you a little bit about Christmas gifts. What I think makes an amazing Christmas gift. Now, I don't have any price point or anything like that. I just think these are items that I find really amazing and cool to either gift or get as a gift. I love technology, so this video is solely going to be dedicated to technology or tech items, basically. I'll make another video if this one gets a lot of traction on either makeup or, you know, just other general things, but I thought this would be a really cool idea to kind of film a little bit about just stuff that I enjoy. Lucky for me, I work in Apple, which is a very tech-oriented company, and it's an amazing company to be with. But having said that, like, not all the products are from Apple. There are a few. Of course, I'm there every day, so I enjoy and appreciate everything. But yeah, just things that I think would be amazing gifts and amazing ideas, or, you know, just stuff that I think people would love and be practical at the same time. So yeah, let's get started. So I have two lists. I have one that was on Amazon that I created, and then I have one on my notes app. Now the notes app is more my notes that I've written down. I've just written down the items, but I think I know what I want to say about each of them. So yeah, let's get started. I'll go off of my notes first. So on my notes, I actually started writing out stuff, and I want to start out with like a really tiny but a very practical, very common thing that a lot of people do have, and those are AirPods. I love my AirPods. I have the second gen ones, but I have the basic ones, and so does my husband. We really love our AirPods. So he walks to work, and I wear them on my commute to work or something like that. So I don't drive very far, and I drive to work, so it's not that much, but like, you know, at the gym or even when I'm just walking from my car to my workplace, I usually have my AirPods and my lunch break. They make really an amazing gift because it kind of gives you that privacy. It kind of gives you that your own space a little bit, in my opinion, especially if you're, you know, training it or something like that. You can be cut off from the noise, the background noise that everyone has going. But other than AirPods, like any pair of headphones, to be honest, like a good quality headphones I think would be amazing. I had the over-the-ear ones. They were amazing. Beats makes some amazing ones that are noise cancelling and just really practical for day-to-day use. But I love AirPods or any kind of wireless headphones. Just no wires, no mess, no nothing. Just easy to reach for, easy everything. Amazing gift. Then I have Apple Watch on my list, and the reason I have an Apple Watch is because I have one. I got mine so my first Apple Watch, I got it as a gift from my brother, which I really loved. I was obsessed with it. Eventually the battery started dying out, and so I sold it. But then I tried something else, and I went back to an Apple Watch, and I love my Apple Watch. It could be anything, not just an Apple Watch. It could be like a Fitbit Versa, or it could be a Fitbit in general. I just love the idea of the practicality of the device because it's your phone on your wrist. You get notified of calls and messages. It's your activity tracker. Apple Watch is an amazing feature of closing your rings. I think they are, like, I find that so motivating to be able to push myself to close those rings. It's very rewarding. And I think, like, it just makes you more active, more aware of your health and well-being. Apple Watch Series 4 onwards, they've added some amazing features, like, you know, the fall detection or the heart rate monitors. In some countries, they've got the ECG capability, so they're amazing gifts. But so, like, it's just awesome. I think Fitbit also, it's a great starting point, you know, if you're looking to be active. And I think the whole idea of these gifts, like, it's so much more practical because you will have a New Year's resolution. 9 out of 10 times it's just, you know, either to be more active or to lose weight or to get in shape or to stay toned or something like that, to be like just active in general. I think they're amazing. And for like series 3 also is an amazing one, especially for kids. I know everyone's like into watches now, and so are like little kids are getting into it. I think it's a great tool for parents to keep an eye on them, keep a track on them, where they're going, and just be more aware of their kids' whereabouts basically. So I think they make some amazing practical gifts. I have 2 more things on this list that I really want to quickly touch. They were both by DJI. So I've got an Osmo Pocket that I was going to suggest. I don't own one. I don't see the reason to own one yet, but I think they're really cool because they it's great for like vloggers, because you can just have this tiny little device, take it anywhere, vlog your stuff and be okay and done with. Like you don't have to worry about like a camera case and stuff like that. I think they're really just a compact little device to take anywhere you want to go and just film. The other thing I had was the gimbal. I think gimbal's great if you're someone who loves going to concerts, because it's an image stabilizer, and it tracks the subject that you would have. It locks it into place, and it really tracks that moment. So you know, if you're a spectator and you're watching your performer, it will continuously monitor, move it with the person, and just make it really, really stable and easy to not have like a shaky image. So I think they really make amazing ones. I'll insert photos of everything and I'll link as much as I can down below in the description bar, so please please check that out. I get to play with these devices every day at work, which is really cool, and I really love to see them. I don't have a reason to buy it yet, or even ask my husband to gift me one, because honestly, like, my channel's not that big and I don't vlog as much, so I don't see the need for it, but I think they're really cool. Moving on to Amazon stuff. I added a few things to my cart just so I would not forget. When you spoke about Apple Watches, I spoke about health and, you know, being active and being fit and stuff. So something cool that I thought would be like a body composition scale. There are so many on Amazon, and there's so many with so many reviews on it. I think they're amazing because you actually get to see what your body weight is, what's your muscle mass, and all of that. Now this is for people who are already very active and looking to either bulk up or lose some weight, or like I think it's really good to understand what's going on in your body and like keep a track of it, and you know, make sure you're going on the right track if you're working really hard. So I think body composition scales are amazing, and it just makes you more aware of what's going on in your body. I also think Kindles make an amazing gift. Now Kindle is one of those things where you can have the Kindle itself, or you can have the Kindle app on any of your smart devices, whether it's your phone or an iPad or a tablet or anything like that. Personally, I am an old school, old-fashioned paperback book girl. I used to love reading novels. My favorite author was Sidney Sheldon. I've read pretty much all of his books. He passed away a few years ago, so I've kind of lost my little light. But I think Kindles are amazing. They just, especially if you are a traveler, if you're traveling a lot, Kindles make an amazing gift because you can have that big 300-page book in just a tiny little device, and I think they're easier on the eyes as well, and they're pretty competitive when it comes to price. So I think it makes a really good gift for people who love to read. I have 2 more things that I want to talk about or just quickly touch. It's the same family actually, so I'll just combine it into one. I think so if you're an Apple person, I would say Homepods make a great gift. Or yeah, I'm gonna say Homepods because they actually just, the good thing with Apple devices is like every device talks to the other device. So I think Homepods, you know, the handoff feature where you go close to it and you just have your phone playing something, you go close to the HomePod, I think picks up the song, and you can have that, if you have two HomePods in one, like in one room, it's more like a surround sound system, so it's really great, and they're really, really loud, so they're pretty good if you're hosting parties and stuff. But along those lines, I know they're really expensive, so something else that makes a really good one is like the Bluetooth speakers or wireless speakers like Beats Pill. Bose has some really good ones, again very expensive, but the sound quality is amazing on them. But if you're more like a little bit on the affordable side, I think Amazon has some amazing devices. So the Echo Dot or the Echo, or they've just come out with a subwoofer. I think those are really good. They're really loud and very, very clear. We've got the Echo Dot. I think it's the first generation one, but the second one looks really good, especially with the clock. I think that's a great idea. It takes me back to like when we had those alarm clocks with the radio on them, the digital ones. They were so good. So Echo Dot's got that. My brother has the Echo itself, I think, and it's really loud. It's like a surround system. Amazing, amazing little devices, but in my opinion, I think these makes really cool gifts and really practical gifts. I think these are the stuff that you can use on a day-to-day basis and appreciate the person who's given them to you. I think it kind of shows how much they value to you. In my opinion, I think these are things that I would really love to get personally or love to give. So I think they're really, really amazing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the idea. Let me know what you guys are getting or giving for Christmas. I think it's an amazing time and it's time to celebrate, so it's really, really fantastic. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful, useful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, take care guys. Bye!